Here's what I think about the new BSc Clinical Psychology course by our very own RCI. I am so glad that they're regulating the field. They're finally recognizing counseling psychologists like me. We've been in the majority of mental health professionals in this country and completely ignored. This is a positive step in the right direction. I'm very happy that they're giving clinical placements as part of the course. Psychologists need practical training and not just theoretical knowledge. This is great. What happens to all the counseling psychologists who are currently practicing with master's degrees? There's nothing mentioned about us. So that's a little bit scary. I really hope that we can do a bridge course so that we can also get the RCR registration. I'm not sure how I feel about being able to practice right after bachelor's, but then that's just the name of the degree. It's actually a 4-year course with clinical placements. I do hope that they ensure the quality of the course though, because currently not all MPhil graduates actually end up having training and exposure, even after studying at RCR regulated institutes. I know this because I interview and hire clinical psychologists as part of my team at the Friendly Couch.
Some of the clinical psychologists are really questionable.
Which tells you that not all RCI regulated institutes are at the same level of quality. I have a huge problem with one thing. Why is it only available to science students? Psychology has always been known as a mix of humanities and science. In fact, as far as I know, most people who take up psychology are from the humanities background and not the science background. Another question I have is that why does it have only 30 seats per RCI institute? That greatly reduces the number of psychologists in this country. Number of seats should be the same as the current BA psychology batches. If the aim is to increase mental health professionals, I don't know how this is helping. I am so happy that it's only available as a full-time, regular, direct, face-to-face course. Distance learning has never done justice to this field. Psychologists need to have appropriate training and practical exposure to actually be ethical, trained professional psychologists. Overall, it is a great positive change in the field of mental health. What do you think?